Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into FlairAI. This is the homepage as you can see, and here we have various information. First of all, let's now have pricing. Use Flair for free with your whole team. Upgrade to enable limited issues. Innocent security controls and additional features. You can just start for free, and we have features up to 10 images per month, up to 5 projects also, and we have in the home page first information. But before that, let's know how you can use FlairAI as a platform for creating branded content. You can just follow these steps. First of all, you have to sign up and then create a project, then upload brand assets. The fourth one is design with AI, and then review and edit, then download and use, and the seventh one is additional features, and the last one is support and resources. So what is FlairAI first? FlairAI is an AI-powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So we have here offers information like the AI design tool for product photo shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shoots in seconds. Then we have here make standout content with stunning templates, and here we have still life, furniture, food. You can select the niche you want in the home page. Then we have stitch scenes digital with drag and drop props, bring it to life with AI. Then we have here mix and match product with templates. Then we have build slick shoots faster than ever. Also we have fashion photo shoots, and then we have iterate, collaborate. In the homepage we have it house locked, remove background, magic erase, upscale image, replace product, make variations. Then we have screw design with API, and we have design with Flair, and get started. So let's come back to the top and start to sign up. So let's click over get started for free. So you can continue with Google. Also you can continue with your email. Write your email here and you continue with your email. So with Google, let's choose our account in Google also. So you can choose the one you want. Let's click over your account, and this is it. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here various things like your workflows. You can choose the niche you want. As I said before, beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, tangent, accessories, home goods. We have here upgrade also. We have here untitled fashion projects, and we have your workflows, API, and you can just click over create fashion projects and get started. So let's build our products by clicking create fashion project. If you click over fashion project, this is how it looks. We have here add products. You can just click over upload products photos. You can select one of these, and then you generate by just first you have templates recently used. You can just add few all, select a template below here, and you can search about the one you want. So let's choose this one. For example, let's choose this one. Sorry again. And then we have about prompt builder. Edit prompt in the form below. You can just write the product here. Placement also, you can choose part in, balancing in, and or other things. You have here also you write it's emerging from what. Then we have surrounded here with or other things. Then also here surrounded with next to, and here we have a number of results, 1 or 3 or 2 or 4. Then we have reference image. Then we have correct color here, and we have render strength, color strength, outline strength. you can just select the one you want. Default, strong, weak, extra weak. And about color also, outline also here, and that's it with generate. So it's passed to the props. So the props here, you can just search about by keywords here. You can choose the one you want. Also, you can upload custom props, and also here we have humans. You can select female skincare and beauty models, also casual models, male models, hands holding smaller product, and hands also here. And we have the final steps is edit. You can just remove background, magic erase, upscale creative, image variations, color also. You select no one or full color or tint, price, background color here, and we have here download suffix also. Select PNG or JPG, and finally you download your image. So this is it. Bye. So if you want to upload your product photo, you have already select your photo, so you can use canva.com. So this is the home page. This is my account. You can just start sign up and search about your photo products. So you can just click over customer size, click over presentation here, and you select the photo product you want. Then you write here, you just modify background color, position, add page, notes, duration, timer also, zoom also. You can zoom, as you can see. You can add comment here, also quick actions. We have also a grid view and presentation full screen, ask me, and here we have elements, text, print, uploads, draw, projects also. And then you click over here and you download your image photos, then you upload it in here. Also here you can upload your image when right here, upload custom prompt. So this is this tips, it's how you can build a product. Then you can share your product using social media like Pinterest, like Facebook, TikTok, and other things. So FlairAI presents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency and deeper insights into their audience and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.